Okay, everyone, good morning. Today we have our Max online class, and today is Friday. The date is 25/6, that is June 2021. Moving ahead, as we just move towards our this class, right now we had assembly. I would request everyone to please sit straight, take your comfortable position. You can just close your eyes for next 2 minutes and slowly take a deep breath in and breathe out. A deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Whenever you feel ready, you can just rub your palms and place it on your eyes. Alright. Now let's move towards what is the objective of our today's class. That means what are we going to study today, and by the end of this class what we will be able to achieve. So today we will be able to count forward from a given number to the closest decade. Means we will be doing a forward counting to reach a particular number in between 10 to 100. Okay. Children, before we start, I would like to know, okay, do you all know what is forward counting? You can just put it in the chat box. What is forward counting? You know what is forward counting? You have to just type it in the chat box. What do you mean by forward counting? Everyone, I'm waiting for your answers. What do you mean by forward counting?
दीदी स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाई दे रही।
स्क्रीन पे कुछ नहीं है, आपको ऐसे यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन द चैट बॉक्स व्हाट इज फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग, और एनीवन वुड लाइक टू जस्ट रेज योर हैंड एंड आंसर. Okay, so you don't know what is forward counting? All right, I'll tell you what is forward counting. So forward counting is where we count one more. Okay, if you have a number, suppose 5. Okay, the number is 5. So if I say do forward counting, so what you will do, you will start counting after this number 5. So what comes after 5? 6. And 1 again. So what comes after 6? 7. What comes after 7? 8. What comes after 8? 9. So what am I doing? I'm going on adding one more.
Before after.
Yes. No, before after is something different. Where we have one given number and we find out what comes before that number and what comes after that number. Okay, I have one step next responses in the chat box. Yes. And forward count is like, okay, very nice. I can see Daksh has written in the chat box. Harsh has written one step next. All right, very nice, everyone. I can see many responses in the chat box. Okay, so now I know every one of us knows that how do we do forward counting. So forward counting is more about counting one more to the given number, one more and moving on to the next number. All right. So now, as we move ahead, let's see on the screen what do we have the question. Okay. So you can see on my screen there are few numbers given. this first number, which is 25. Okay, which is 25. So, can you tell me how will you do forward counting for this? How will you do forward counting for this? 25. After 25, what you will do? Next step. Add one more.
26, 27, 28, 29.
Okay.
26, 10,
27,
23.
28, 29. Okay. I will give you on the. Okay. Everyone, now you will write down in your notebook the next number. That is 53.
24.
Everyone in your notebook first. Fast. Everyone. Tejal, Anush. Please take your notebook.
Next box.
For the next number, 53. We have to find the next 4 numbers by counting forward. Okay.
दीदी हमें लिखना है.
Yes, लिखना है आपको. Next one. The next one.
दीदी हमें लिखना है नोटबुक में.
Yes, लिखना है. Okay, so now I want Ansh to give me the answer. Ansh, what is the answer that you got? Ansh,
Yes, teacher.
what did you get the answer after 53?
25.
Second one. Second one. 53. Count forward.
54.
Yes. Next. Next number. 4 numbers you have to find out.
54.
After that, you can see on the screen there are 4 dash.
50.
Yes.
56.
Yes. Next. Where did 55 go? You missed 55. 53, then 54, then 55, 56, and then 57. So the 4 numbers are like this. Okay. Thank you, Ansh, for trying it. You can again write it down in your notebook. Notebook में लिखो आप फिर से correct करके. All right. So now, next, everyone.
क्या करने का है?
Forward counting, श्रेया.
दीदी हमको क्या करने का?
आपको नोटबुक में लिखना.
दीदी मतलब 25 के बाद 26.
Yes, forward. One more add. 26 के बाद one more add. Forward. हम आगे जा रहे हैं. Forward means आगे. Okay. When you talk about backward, backward means पीछे. Forward is we are going one step ahead. So that means you will add one more to the given number. So now next let's move on to 82. Okay. I want everyone to give me the answer in the chat box now. Okay. Be ready on the chat box. So your number is 82. You will find out 4 numbers, the next 4 numbers. Chalo, do the counting forward after 82. I will also write down in the chat box. Your number is 80. Put in the chat box 82. You have 4 dashes. You have to
ये
find out.
अभी करने के बाद
Abhi.
ये अभी करने के बाद
Now, right now, I have given you the chat box. Find out the next numbers. You have to count forward. Okay, I have started to receive the answers in the chat box. Laiba. Yes. Next numbers, Chaitra. Correct. Everyone fast. You have to do it by yourself. Please send the answers.
गणित का शिकवतो इथे पण ठेवला आफ्टर नंबर येते मला आफ्टर नंबर 44 पेपरला आलं
Okay. Payal and Palak, correct answer. Others fast. Chetna, Neha, Rishi, Samruddhi, Daksh, Shruti, Satyam, everyone. Use the chat box. Deep, answer in the chat box. Anush, Raj, put your answer in the chat box. Sonakshi, answer in the chat box. Ansh, use the chat box. Give your answer in the chat box. Okay. Laiba is writing for the next one also. Deep has given the correct answer. Daksh is also correct. Shreya, write the answer. Okay, Ansh has written 42, 47, 48. Okay, correct answer. But you have given for the next one. We were talking about third one. All right. So I hope you have now built the understanding of how to write the numbers in the forward direction. Okay, how we move on to counting forward. So it is very simple, children. We have to just count one more, and one more. Like you all have written very correctly. I could see everyone writing it correctly. So like if you have the number 82, then you added one more and that becomes 83. You added one more to 83 and that becomes 84. So when you add on one more, that is counting forward and we get the numbers. Alright. So now, as we move ahead, okay. So there is one question, two questions on the screen, and we are going to find out the answers for them. So before we do that, you can see, I want someone to read out the question. Who will read out the question? Anyone? Sonakshi, you can unmute yourself.
दीदी
Read the first question.
how much
Yes.
will you add to 24 so
That
it will 30
become 30. All right. So you did you understand the question? What is the question? Can anyone explain me? Can anyone explain what is the question? क्या
दीदी
समझ
can
में
I
आया?
say
Yes.
वो बोल रहे कि 24 रहता है 24 से कैसे 30 ला सकते हैं?
Yes, very correct, Chaitra. So you have that you are given in the question that the number is 24. So from 24 you want to reach to number 30. So what will you do? So it is also given that you have to add in that. So it is what? It is a forward counting where you move ahead and you add from 24. So now start counting from
दीदी
24.
मैं बताऊँ
Answers in the chat box.
दीदी मैं बताऊँ
Answer in the chat box and then I will get to you. Then we will come back to you. Write down the answer in the chat box. Okay. Kartiki, do you want to ask? Kartiki, did you want to ask Ria any question? You have a hand raised.
नो दीदी
So you can lower the hand. उसी बटन पे दोबारा दबा दो. All right. Yes. So I'm waiting for the answer. How much you will add? Okay, Anisha has written the answer in the.
ये भी अभी करना है ये अभी लिखना है
Yes,
क्या
अभी करना है हमें. Kartik,
दीदी
please write the
लिखना
answer.
है
Kartik Jadhav, please check your answer. That is not correct. Everyone, I want your answers. Tanishka, Tejal, Kartik Jadhav, please check your answer again. Okay, Ria Patil. Ria, please check your answer. Okay, so I will just share my whiteboard and we will try to solve it together. Okay, so your number was 24. Okay, and now you have to reach to which number? Where we have to reach? 30. So now what we have to do from
30.
Yes, from 24 to reach 30, how many we will add? How many? They are asking us the question, how many? So we have to add. Now we are adding, so that means we are moving forward from the number. I will count after 24. Okay, I will not count in the backward direction.
दीदी
Yes,
54 दीदी
no. Yes, Sonakshi, correct answer. Sonakshi gave us the correct answer.
दीदी 6
Yes. So,
दीदी
yes, here. I will not count 23, 22. I will not go backward. I will go in forward direction. आगे का number count करेंगे. So, after 24 comes 25,
दीदी 24 minus 30
26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So, how many fingers I have done forward counting? How many you can see?
दीदी 6
6. So that means we will add
6
plus 6. So I will add plus 6. That will give me number 30. Okay. If I will add this much, I will get the number that is required, number 30. Okay. You can do it in this way. Otherwise, you can also do it in the way for your own self in your own notebook. जब आप अपनी notebook में कर रहे हो, so you write your number 24. Then what will come? Next number 25. Shreya, what is the next number? Shreya, what is the next number after this?
26 26 ये लिखना 26
26. Correct. Moving on to the next number. What is the next number after this?
27 27
Okay. The next number.
27
The next number after.
28 28
All right.
29
Now,
29
all right. Everyone on mute.
30
Everyone on mute. Thank you for the correct answer. All right. So now see here we started counting from this number 24 and we have reached to 30. So now in between, how many numbers are there? So just count it out. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that is the answer, that we are going to add 6 more numbers so that we reach to 30. Okay. So you have to first understand the question which is being asked. Okay. Now let's move to the next question.
24.
Okay. I want now Drona. Drona, read out the second
Yes,
question.
Didi.
Read the second question.
दीदी मैं बताऊं
Wait. पहले हमें question read करना है. Read the question, everyone. Drona, I can't hear. Okay. I'll ask someone else to read out. Afzal.
दीदी मैं बोलूं
Afzal is also not there. Rishi. Rishi. Rishi, if you can hear me, please unmute yourself.
how many more is needed for noodles
For number. Yes.
number 45 to become 52 53 become 53 did you add
Okay. So the question is, how many more is needed for number 45 to become 53? So here you have to also find out, are you going to add or subtract?
Didi
Okay.
8
So just everyone carry out and let's put the answer in the chat box. Okay, few more responses. Gianna, Drona, Deep has given. Gianna, please check your answer again. Gianna, check your answer again. Okay. Now you have to also tell me, did you add or did you subtract? Did you add or did you subtract? In the chat box. Waiting for the responses. Did you add or did you subtract? How did you get this number?
Yeah, that subtract.
क्या किया आपने? ऐड किया या सब्ट्रैक्ट किया?
Yeah.
Add किया. Yes, because you have added 8 more. Okay, 8 more to the numbers. That is why you have reached till 53. So, children, okay, I can see people writing down the answer in form of 44, 45, 46. Okay. So now it is very important that when you are doing this forward counting, to count properly, not missing any single number in between. Okay, you are not going to miss any single number. You have to count the next number. Okay, and you have to also see this also, that how many you are counting, how many more numbers you are adding to that given number. That will tell you that this is the particular answer that you get for the forward counting. Okay. Now, have you heard about backward counting? If yes, show me a thumbs up. Yes, I can see Chaitra, Sonakshi, Ansh also showing a thumbs up. Payal and Palak also, Raj Malik also. Okay. So, can anyone unmute yourself and tell me what is backward counting?
Didi, I can.
Yes, Payal. Payal,
दीदी बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग इज हम फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग में 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 करते हैं, लेकिन बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग में हम 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 करते हैं.
yes. So we move behind. So, Ansh, do we add or do we subtract in this?
Add, subtract.
Both करते हैं हम, दोनों करते हैं.
बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग में हम लोग subtract करते हैं.
Subtract करते हैं. Very good. We don't add one more. Okay, we do subtraction. We go behind. Okay. Agar now you are sitting in your house, I will tell you go forward. So where you will go? आप जहाँ खड़े हो या आप जहाँ बैठे हो, so you will go in forward means आगे बढ़ोगे आप, ठीक है? But when Didi will ask you, go backward. So what you will do? चलो stand up everyone.
हम पीछे जाएंगे.
Stand up everyone. And Didi is asking you to go 2 steps forward. 2 steps forward. So you will walk 2 times forward. Yes, forward 1 and 2. Count. Okay, now stop. Stop. Everyone, stop at your place where you have reached 2 steps. Now, Didi is asking you to go 4 steps backward. Backward.
तो हम 4 स्टेप पीछे जाएंगे.
Yes, I can see many of you doing it. Yes, go 4 steps backward. Yes, correct. Chalo, let's come back to our place. And we all can sit down. Okay. Now with this, we are coming towards the end of our today's class. I hope everyone has understood the forward and backward counting. So now I want everyone to ask me if you have any questions regarding this.
Didi, can I drink water?
Yes, Chaitra, you can.